Ingabire Gaudance yambaye nimero 8. Iyi ni Miss Rwanda 2020.
Good evening. My name is Gaudance Ingabire. Happy Rose Day for everyone. My project is to promote domestic tourism among youth. Last year, tourism sector has contributed 12% to the GDP of Rwanda. But how about this number keep increasing, but we have the small or the lack of skills and professionalism in tourism and hospitality sector? Once I quote Miss Rwanda, I will encourage youth to visit various touristic features in our countries, and also I'll work with different non-governmental organizations to increase trainings and courses in hospitality and tourism sector. This will increase the level of cultural awareness among youth, and also this will contribute to increase the government revenue, which will contribute to the growth of economics in our country. Thank you.
Barakoze cyane. Ingabire Gaudance yambaye nimero 8 umaze gutangaza umushinga we imbere y'akanama nkemurampaka kacu nimero 8. Ingabire Gaudance.